Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this spaghetti bolognese. It's not really barbecue related, but I'm on holiday, everyone seems to love it, so here we go. You can see all the ingredients that you're going to need here, but I'll list in the description down below. So in a hot pan with some olive oil, fry off your beef mince first and do it in two parts so you don't crowd the pan too much, and then once you've cooked it, set it to one side so you can cook the other element. To the pan add your diced shallots, and then you want to cook those off until they're softened and got a nice bit of colour on them, and then add your diced garlic. Once your garlic's nice and cooked and softened, it's time to add the mixed herbs and then about a teaspoon of ginger. Give that a good mix through, and then it's time to add the beef mince back in and give it all a really good thorough mix around. Now it's time to add the salt and pepper. Next add the tomato puree, the chopped tinned tomatoes and the passata. Give everything a good thorough mix and then put the lid on and bring it up to the boil, at which point you want to turn it down to a low temperature, put the lid on and then cook it for as long as you can. At least an hour, but 2 to 3 hours is really good. So this has been cooking for a couple of hours now. You can see it's looking amazing. Everything is all combined, all those flavours are melted together, all that beef mince and tomatoes all broken down. That looks perfect. It's time to dish up. So it's up to you what pasta you use. You've got spaghetti today, and to that we're just going to add all this gorgeous bolognese, and it smells incredible and it looks perfect. I cannot wait to try this. So you want all that bolognese sauce coating that pasta, and this is perfect. The thing I like about this recipe is that it's really simple. The kids absolutely love it. It's not got too many fancy ingredients in it, so anyone can have these sort of things in their cupboards, but you just get a really beautiful flavour on it, and it's such a nice and easy, delicious dish to do. I hope you give it a go. So thanks for watching this video today guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. There's loads and loads of videos on the YouTube channel now, so go and check those out, and don't forget to leave any comments or thoughts down below. But until next video, I'll see you then. Take care.